how to add a credit or debit card in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to link a credit or debit card to your Starbucks account, well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the scan icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the scanning page. Now here at the top you can see the option labeled as scan and pay. So simply tap on it, and now here in this section you simply have to tap on link payment. And now here on this page you can see the credit/debit card option at the top. So there you simply have to enter your card number, expiration date and CVV, and with that you just have to tap on save card, and once saved you will see your new card listed as your payment option in the app. You can also set it as your default for quick reloads and payments. And that's it. That's how you can add a credit or debit card in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.